Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a rhinestone patch to this cotton shirt. Now, I've done a few rhinestone patch projects, but I wanted to do it on a t-shirt so you could see how it makes a t-shirt pop. Now, this is a regular t-shirt from Zara, and it is a round neck. It has cut off sleeves, and they're wide, so they have an opening big enough to show your sides here if you're into that. And it is a high-low, so it is straight across here, and then it drags about 3 inches, and it is rounded off at the bottom. So it is a very comfortable cotton, and I'll be embellishing the back of it. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to do with this is you're going to be inserting a cutting board underneath the shirt so that you can iron on the patch. I have my board here, and I'm going to be sliding it underneath. And I will also be inserting a piece of aluminum foil right on top of the board. It isn't necessary, but I want to have an extra layer. Going to stretch it out nicely so that you can determine placement. You're going to iron the back of the shirt. You'll hear some squealing in the background. My puppy is playing with his toy. If any of the stones flip over, just make sure you fix them with tweezers. Hold it upright just to be able to see if you like the alignment of each of the stones. And now take your iron and remove the steam option. You just want it to be hot. And you're going to press it down for 20-30 seconds directly on the plastic. Okay, so now that you've ironed it, you're going to let this dry completely before you peel off the plastic layer. Guys, make sure that you press this down and leave for quite a few seconds and go around all of it, every little section, from every point to every end and every rhinestone in between, because they can lift if they're not adhered. So when you peel off the plastic, do it in sections so that if you see a rhinestone that isn't adhered, you could place the plastic back on and then iron it over. It's very important that you're peeling it off very slowly and looking from one line to the other as you peel back the plastic, so that if you need to go back and add a stone, you can. This one looks a little loose, so I'll run the iron right over that section. When you pull on the plastic, you'll see if they want to stick to the plastic and not the shirt, you know that you have to go over it a little bit more with the iron. Hey guys, that was beautiful. That was a perfect application. All the stones are intact. Now I am going to run the iron over them for added security. So when you press the iron on a fabric like this, it changes the color to a deeper red, but then once the garment dries completely, because there's still like a little bit of vapors in here, it will go back to as bright as the shirt is. And your shirt is now done. Let this dry completely, meaning let it cool completely, and then it'll be ready for wear. I do not suggest washing this, although Hot Fix is safe to wash, machine wash, but I would wash this or either hand wash it or dry clean it. I mostly dry clean stuff like this, so it's entirely up to you. Okay guys, so this is the shirt, and it is fully dry, and you can see how sparkly it is even with this light. I will be showing you what it looks like in the sun as well. And this was a very inexpensive shirt. I think it was about $15 at Zara. You could do this with any shirt or blouse that you have, or even dress in your collection, or you can buy one that's very inexpensive and make it look like $1,000,000 bucks. If you like projects like this, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, or pop a comment below, or maybe do both. If you're not yet subscribed, I invite you to subscribe down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.